Hey, what's up you guys? So my name is Wade, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a real affiliate marketing campaign that I've been running for the last 30 days on my YouTube channel that's made me more than $700. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did, the stats behind the campaign, and I'm also gonna talk about how you can implement the same strategies I used so you can start earning money with affiliate marketing yourself. And before we jump into it, I would like to say that if you find this video helpful, be sure to leave it a like, as it does help me out a ton, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. So if you don't already know, affiliate marketing is essentially a referral system. The way it works is that you're simply referring people to products and services, and if someone purchases something from the links that you gave them, you get a small percentage of the sale, or commission. You aren't selling the products directly to the consumer, and you aren't shipping anything out to them either. You're just getting people to buy products and services they were already interested in anyway, from brands and companies they know, and those brands and companies are rewarding you for doing so. The way these brands and companies keep track of everything is by allowing you to set up special links that track when someone clicks and buys the product. The links lead right to the company's product page, and there isn't anything different about the links or product page from the shopper's point of view, but they are unique links associated to you, and they're used to tally up how many times you were able to bring customers to that company's products and ultimately convert sales. Nearly every company you can think of likely has an affiliate program already that you can sign up for free right now and get started. And the more affiliate marketing programs you sign up for, obviously, the more links you'll have out there online, and the more you'll potentially earn. Many people have turned affiliate marketing into a full-time income, where they generate thousands of dollars a month working from home. And affiliate marketing actually is just one of the ways in which I've been able to turn my online business into a full-time income as well. As you guys know, my main online business is my YouTube channel, where I review tech products, gadgets, and from time to time, software and different services. And I recently did a video where I reviewed an IPTV service called LogicStream TV. Now, I'm not gonna go in detail and explain what LogicStream TV is or what IPTV is. If you're interested, you can just watch the video itself. But what I will say is that LogicStream TV is a television provider of sorts where folks sign up and pay 25 bucks a month to stream live TV. Now, I thought they offered a great service, which is why I did a video reviewing it on my YouTube channel. And what I also noticed on their website is that they offer their own affiliate program that anyone can sign up for free and start earning money if they refer people to buy their services using their affiliate links. And that's exactly what I did. In my review video, I included my affiliate link in the description and as a pinned comment. If anyone clicked on my link and purchased a subscription to LogicStream TV, I would get a commission. And it turns out LogicStream TV actually pays $5 for every sale I referred. So this is the affiliate dashboard here that tracks all of my earnings. And you can see that in the last 30 days, I've earned $760 in commissions, all from this one affiliate program, and all from one link on one YouTube video. Now, to some people, I realize that might not seem like a ton of money, but earning an extra $700 or $800 in a month, I think is actually pretty good. And really, you have to look at the big picture here too. Imagine if you had 10 of these affiliate links out there, or 100. You could potentially be bringing in thousands of dollars a month passively, since you basically just set the link up and then forget about it. Diving a little deeper into the dashboard, you can see that more than 2,800 people clicked on this link, and some even clicked on it more than once. And out of all of those clicks, more than 500 people ended up signing up for the service. Now, you'll notice here the signups and commissions aren't exactly equal, and that's because while some people purchased a subscription, more people simply just signed up for a free trial, and we don't get paid for that. But that's totally okay. You might still end up getting a $5 commission after their free trial is up if they decide to purchase the service. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This is all great, but obviously you generated a bunch of sales because you have nearly 50,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. No one would be able to do this without an audience, but that couldn't be further from the truth. While I do have a dedicated audience already established on my YouTube channel, a vast majority of the views on that video were not from my subscribers. They were from people who were searching for a review on LogicStream TV, or from people who discovered the video after YouTube suggested it to them or recommended it. The secret to success here is simply the fact that I was basically the only result when you searched for LogicStream TV. I was first to the market and was getting 100% of the traffic. It didn't matter that I had thousands of subscribers on my YouTube channel already. They weren't the ones watching the video. It was the people actively searching for LogicStream TV. They already knew about the service or were curious about it and about seeing it in action. I was the only person who had a video about it online at the time, and I was getting all the traffic, all the interest, and ultimately all the referral sales too. Now let me just say that these results are obviously not typical. Not every affiliate marketing program is going to be a success. Oftentimes you may put out a ton of links and end up generating no sales. It definitely happens, but these are the most important things I learned from my LogicStream TV success. There is so much value in being the first to the market. If you know of a product or a service or a brand or whatever that has little to no online presence yet, jump on the opportunity. Create a blog post, send out some tweets, or come up with a YouTube video that reviews it. Try to be the #1 source for that product or service, and just make sure other people are actually interested in it too. And contact the company or brand behind it to see if they have an affiliate program. They likely do, but chances are if they don't, they'll just set something up for you anyway if you can prove that you're serious about generating some sales for them. And if there are a few pieces of content online that already talk about what you want to talk about, that's totally okay. Just make your review or informational post better than all the rest. Make an updated version if you found that the content online is a bit outdated. And most importantly, study up on SEO or search engine optimization to ensure your video or post is going to be found when people search for it. Most importantly, make sure your affiliate links can be seen. Add them as the first line in the description box on a YouTube video. Pin them as a top comment too, or make them bold or ensure they stand out on your blog or website. You need to know that people can easily find your links once they're interested in the product. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about one of the more successful affiliate marketing campaigns I ran recently. If you have any questions about what I talked about in this video or anything else really regarding affiliate marketing or passive income, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll try my best to help out. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.